In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Squarespace website to another account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few practical tips to keep everything smooth and secure. First, make sure you're logged in to the Squarespace site you want to move and that you're the current owner. Ownership controls everything from design and content to billing and permissions, so this action hands full control to someone else. Once you're in the site dashboard, look to the bottom left of the sidebar and click the gear icon. That opens your site's settings. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. Inside Settings, find and open Permissions and Ownership. This is the hub where roles, collaborators, and ownership are managed. It's also a good place to remind yourself who currently has access and what their roles are, because ownership transfer affects who can do what moving forward. Next, select Transfer Ownership. Squarespace will show a clear prompt explaining what this change means. Read it carefully. After you hand off ownership, the new owner will have full administrative control, including billing and the ability to manage or remove contributors. Make sure you're comfortable with that change before you continue. For security, Squarespace will ask you to verify the transfer with an authentication code. This is designed to protect your site from accidental or unauthorized changes. You'll be prompted for the code, which is typically sent to the email or authenticator associated with your account. Enter the code when you receive it. After verification, you'll be able to choose the new owner. Select the correct person from the available options, confirm their details, and proceed. Take a moment to double-check the recipient's information, as sending ownership to the wrong account can create unnecessary headaches. Once you confirm, the transfer completes and the recipient is notified. That's all there is to it. To keep everything organized, let the recipient know when you've initiated the transfer so they're ready on their end. If your site has active subscriptions or commerce features, remember that the owner is the person who controls billing and high-level settings. Also, if your domain or email is managed outside Squarespace, those services are separate and may require their own updates. And that's the full process. Open Settings with the gear icon, go to Permissions and Ownership, choose Transfer Ownership, verify with the authentication code, and select the new owner. Take it slow, review each screen, and you'll move your site safely and confidently.